In this video, I'll show you how to set the Unity Bloom wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen or your home screen running iOS 17. So if you recently updated your iPhone to the latest OS, which is 17.3, Apple has now introduced a new wallpaper which you can use called Unity Bloom. So let's see how to get this wallpaper and how to set it for your lock screen or your home screen. So before you begin, you want to first make sure your iPhone is on the latest OS, which is 17.3. So you can do this by confirming in Settings, scroll down until you see General, and here go to Software Update. Now on this screen, this will basically confirm what iOS you are on. So as you can see, I am currently on 17.3. Now we'll go back to the home screen. So first you want to go ahead and bring down the notification screen. Next you want to just long press on an empty space until you come to this collection screen. Now to add the Unity Bloom wallpaper, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. And now on the screen, within the featured section, you'll see the Unity Bloom wallpaper, which looks like this. Now you've got different styles. If you swipe left, you'll be able to see different colors. So you've got Unity, you've got red, you've got green, you've got multicolor, and you've got black. So to set this as a wallpaper, go ahead and tap on Add at the top right. And now here, you can go ahead and set it as a wallpaper pair. So it'll set as a lock screen and your home screen. So go ahead and tap that. Now go ahead and tap on that screen. And now go back to your home screen. And there you go. That is how to set the Unity Bloom wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen or your home screen running iOS 17.3. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.